Keto 2.0 diet. The modern approach to ketogenic eating. Introduction to the Keto 2.0 diet. The Keto 2.0 diet represents a modern evolution of the traditional ketogenic diet, tailored to be more sustainable and health-oriented. While the original keto diet focused on highly high-fat intake with minimal carbs, Keto 2.0 introduced a more balanced approach, incorporating healthier fats, a wider variety of vegetables, and a moderate increase in protein. This refined approach aims to make the keto lifestyle more adaptable and nutritionally balanced. What makes Keto 2.0 different? Balanced macronutrient ratios. In contrast to the classic keto diet, which typically consists of 70-80% fat, 20-25% protein, and 5-10% carbohydrates, Keto 2.0 adjusts these ratios to 55-60% fat, 30-35% protein, and 5-10% carbohydrates. This slight increase in protein intake helps to support muscle maintenance and overall metabolic health. Focus on healthy fats. Keto 2.0 emphasizes the importance of consuming healthy fats. Instead of relying heavily on saturated fats from sources like bacon and cheese, this modern approach encourages the inclusion of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats in foods such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats are known for their beneficial effects on heart health and inflammation. Increased vegetable intake. Another significant change in Keto 2.0 is the greater inclusion of non-starchy vegetables. Leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, and other low-carb veggies are prioritized, providing essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. This not only enhances the diet's nutritional profile but also improves digestive health and satiety. Benefits of the Keto 2.0 diet. Enhanced weight loss. The Keto 2.0 diet maintains the weight loss benefits of the traditional ketogenic diet by promoting ketosis, where the body burns fat for fuel. However, adding more protein and fiber can help individuals feel fuller longer, reducing overall calorie intake and enhancing weight loss efforts. Improved cardiovascular health. By focusing on healthy fats and increasing vegetable consumption, Keto 2.0 can positively impact cardiovascular health. Monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats lower bad cholesterol, LDL, levels and raise good cholesterol, HDL, levels. Additionally, the diet's emphasis on whole foods helps reduce the risk of heart disease. Better digestive health. The inclusion of more fiber-rich vegetables in Keto 2.0 supports better digestive health. Fiber aids in regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and fosters a healthy gut microbiome, essential for overall health and well-being. Increased sustainability. One criticism of the traditional keto diet is its sustainability over the long term. Keto 2.0 addresses this by being more flexible and less restrictive, making it easier for individuals to adhere to the diet without feeling deprived. How to get started with Keto 2.0. Calculate your macronutrient needs. The first step in starting Keto 2.0 is calculating your daily macronutrient needs. Using a keto calculator, determine the appropriate amount of fats, proteins, and carbs based on age, weight, height, and activity level. This personalized approach ensures that you meet your nutritional requirements while staying within the guidelines of Keto 2.0. Choose the right foods. Selecting the right foods is crucial for success on Keto 2.0. Focus on incorporating the following: healthy fats, avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, fatty fish, and coconut oil. Protein sources: lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, and plant-based proteins like tofu and tempeh. Low-carb vegetables: spinach, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, and bell peppers. Limited carbs: berries, nuts, and seeds in moderation. Plan your meals. Meal planning is essential to staying on track with Keto 2.0. Prepare a weekly meal plan that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods. Ensure each meal contains a balance of healthy fats, proteins, and low-carb vegetables. This not only helps you achieve your macronutrient goals but also keeps your meals exciting and flavorful. Stay hydrated. Hydration is critical on any diet, but especially on a ketogenic one. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain electrolyte balance and supports overall bodily functions. Consider incorporating electrolyte-rich beverages like bone broth or electrolyte supplements to prevent dehydration and keto flu symptoms. Sample meal plan for Keto 2.0 breakfast: avocado and spinach omelet, Made with eggs, spinach, and avocado and topped with a sprinkle of feta cheese. Bulletproof coffee. Coffee blended with MCT oil and a pat of grass-fed butter. Lunch grilled chicken salad. Mixed greens with grilled chicken, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and an olive oil vinaigrette. Cauliflower rice stir-fry. Sautéed cauliflower rice with bell peppers, broccoli, and sesame oil, topped with grilled shrimp. Dinner baked salmon with asparagus. Salmon fillet baked with lemon and herbs, served with roasted asparagus. Zucchini noodles with pesto. Spiralized zucchini noodles tossed in a homemade basil pesto sauce paired with grilled chicken. Snacks, nuts and seeds. A small handful of almonds or chia seeds. Vegetable sticks with guacamole. Sliced cucumbers, bell peppers, and celery with a side of guacamole. Conclusion: the Keto 2.0 diet offers a balanced, flexible, and sustainable approach to ketogenic eating. Focusing on healthy fats, increased vegetable intake, and moderate protein provides numerous health benefits while making it easier to adhere to over the long term. With careful planning and a commitment to healthy eating, Keto 2.0 can help you achieve your weight loss and wellness goals.